This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in South Richmond. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is located here on a nice large lot. We're actually about 1/3 of an acre, and that is a large lot for the city of Richmond. This home is a really unique floor plan, and I wanted to bring it to you. Special thanks to Alan, who is the listing broker, gave us permission to come out and check this beautiful home out. In today's market, we've got some really unusual things going on, particularly with new construction. While this home is not new construction, we do have builders right now in this area that are handling the unprecedented cost of lumber and materials in different ways. Some of them are limiting the number of contracts that they will do. Some of them actually are going up on price even after the home is put under contract, and that is problematic from a number of different standpoints. Imagine you found a home of your dreams, put it under contract, and then find out a few weeks later that they want $20,000 or $30,000 more for the same home. That, of course, is never a good feeling. Unfortunately, the builders have their contracts set up. In the very fine print, they are actually able to do that. And then the buyers, of course, have to make a decision whether or not that increase is acceptable or not. One of the benefits of using a buyer's agent is that I can help you navigate through unfortunate situations like that. And honestly, in some situations, I may tell my clients it may be a better idea just to walk away or find another builder or some other option that's not necessarily intuitive for someone that's in real estate sales. My number one obligation is to make sure my clients are informed and well protected in the process of buying or selling a home. We can see we have a great balcony here, not balcony, front porch, wraparound front porch. It's all the way across the front, and then a little extra here. Really neat floor plan. When we go in, you're definitely going to like this floor plan if you are a fan of open concept design. Okay, let's go on into this beautiful home built in 2007. We're coming in just over 1,700 square feet. As you can see, we've got some gorgeous wood floors here throughout this main living area. Here to the right is going to be our secondary bedrooms and our hall bath. We're going to take a look here in our front room and see exactly what it has to offer. This is a really good sized room. You could definitely get a king in here if you wanted to. It does have a ceiling fan, fresh paint. If someone wanted a home office, this would be a great place to put it. You could sit here at this window and you could see the UPS person or the DoorDash person as they come quickly and then leave. You know, they don't ring the doorbell. They just try to get away as quickly as possible. You'd, of course, be able to see them as they're coming here in this beautiful home. Directly to the right is going to be our hall bath. We've got a good sized hall bath here. We've got vinyl on the floor, nice large vanity, a fiberglass tub shower enclosure, and most importantly, we have an adjustable shower head. You've got different settings there depending on your desired output, and very convenient location here. This will also be very accessible here from the family room. Bedroom number 2 is going to be here to my right. The thing I love about this bedroom, not only is it a good size, but we also have a nice walk-in closet. Not very often in this size range do you get a walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. So great feature there. The AC definitely works in this home. It is nice and cool in here. We probably have 90 plus degrees outside today. Notice the light that flows in. We've got all types of windows here in this beautiful home. The nice high vaulted ceiling. It just feels so large in this space. Okay, here is going to be our coat closet. We, of course, convenient there to the front door. I assume this home has a recent seal coating that was just done. And our laundry is going to be right here. Your washer dryer would go right there. We've got a little additional storage overhead. And then if you wanted to stack 2 units there, you could go with a front load and then use one side, put in some shelving, and that would be a very good use of that space. Our primary is right there. We're actually going to come back in. We're going to hit our primary last in this home. This kitchen is amazing. Look at all the counter space that you have in here. This is kind of unprecedented for a 1,700 square foot home. Loads of cabinet space as well. In addition, our pantry is right here. Our smooth top is right there. That conveys. And I was trying to see if that was, I do believe that is the black chrome finish. And this one is a stainless refrigerator with ice and water in the door. All right, let's pop outside and see what our backyard has to offer. One of the first things I noticed back here was our composite material on this deck. And you've heard me speak about this before. If you've watched other videos, this is a plastic lot, just plenty of space, only 2 trees there in the middle. It gives so many options. We are fairly open as far as trees go, so if you want to start a garden or do something else with your green thumb, it would definitely be a good place to do so. And we're, of course, private on that side as well. One of the other things I love about this backyard is there is no need immediately to come in with a storage building. You have this space right here. This is perfect for your lawnmower. You could park it right here. If you went with a riding mower, there's enough space you could get it in. Getting offers accepted, but that's taking a turn. Usually when that happens, the home that my clients end up with, they like more than the homes they didn't get. So, a lot of people are big believers that what's for me is for me, and I definitely see that on a regular basis here in real estate. Okay, let's go take a look at our primary bedroom, which is right here in the middle of the home. They did a great job with this floor plan. We've got a really good sized primary here, as you can see. Here to the left is going to be our primary bath, and I love it because they put in a nice big deep tub there, great for soaking. Get a couple of nice fragrant bombs to make it smell good and give you that good moisturized feeling after getting out of the bathtub. Linen closet right here inside of the bath, and of course our fiberglass stand-up shower. Not to forget our oversized vanity here. Look at all that storage we have there. Plenty of storage at the bottom. Nice big mirror. And we also have that natural light that flows right in there. Just a great overall design here for this beautiful home. But you're probably saying, where's the closet, Max? Well, here it is. We've got a nice big walk-in closet here in this home. I'm gonna step on in here and give you a shot from the other side. Just plenty of space, real functional floor plan, and I think you are definitely impressed as I am. This home has undergone a recent price decrease, and that's something we don't see too much here in today's market. Prices going down. That's always a beautiful thing. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, it would be my honor to help. Please remember, we do have the rent-to-own program starting at $1,250 a month and up in the counties. So if you're not quite ready to buy, you're coming in from out of town, the rent-to-own program is definitely very popular. Be happy to provide you the information for that. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. You can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd be so kind.